Don't make boring PowerPoint slide like this. We are going to make it more attractive. So let's get started. I have already inserted a blank new slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here Winter. Select the font, change the font, make it bold, increase the font size and place it like this. Select the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Combine. Now I have to insert a video from my computer or the stock. You can go to Pixabay and if you search over here Winter, you will find various free video over here. Now I have to insert a video. Go to Insert, go to Video, click on this device, select this one, click on Insert. Go to Playback, click on Loop until stopped and click on Automatically and click on the video and send it to back. Now select the rectangle, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow, select Offset Right, go to Shape Fill and make it white fill color. And again add another text box, drag it over here and write the description, select it, make it center, change the font color and change the font to Laura. Make it italic. Now let me watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.